gosh, do you have the hiccups again? You poor baby. You poor thing. Oh, goodness. What are we gonna do? Are you being a good boy this morning? Did you sleep good last night? I don't think so. I think you were up all night. Is that true? Is that true? Are you precious? I think you are precious. Say hello to all your family. Say hello to everyone. Say maybe next time I won't have the hiccups.